everybody! Let's celebrate the elephant parade! It's time for a party!
I want to see you dance!
Red, green, and blue. Ooh, black, white, and don't forget the yellow. Just look at you, a work of art. You're like a Donatello. Just wear your colors from the inside out. Those colors are what make you special. Be a rainbow, be a star. Be yourself, be everything that you are. A rainbow, be a star. Be yourself, be everything that you are. We're not the same, we're different. That's what makes it better. This crazy game called life, we're all in it together. So many reasons to celebrate and share. Our colors are what make us special. Be a rainbow, be a star. Be yourself, be everything that you are. A rainbow, be a star. Be yourself, be everything that you are.
There is a herd of elephants. Young elephants, old elephants, tall elephants, fat elephants, and thin elephants. All the elephants have the same color, all except Elmer.
Elmer is different. Elmer is patchwork. Elmer is yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. Elmer is not elephant color. He isn't gray.
Elmer keeps the other elephants happy because he tells them a lot of jokes. When he laughs, all the other elephants laugh too.
One night, Elmer can't sleep. He's sad because he's different. Have you ever heard of a patchwork elephant? No wonder they laugh at me. In the morning, all the elephants are sleeping, and Elmer walks away. Elmer walks through the jungle. Elmer meets other animals. The lion says, "Good morning, Elmer." Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The zebra says, "Good morning, Elmer." Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The turtle says, "Good morning, Elmer." Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The monkey says,
Oh, oh, oh! Good morning, Elmer!
Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning."
After a long walk, Elmer finds what he is looking for, a large bush with a lot of berries, elephant-colored berries. And Elmer shakes and shakes and shakes the bush, and all the berries fall on the ground.
The ground is full of berries. Elmer lies down, rolls over and over and over. There is no more yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. When he's finished, Elmer looks like a normal elephant.
After that, Elmer walks back to the herd. Elmer walks through the jungle. Elmer meets the other animals again. The lion says,
Good morning, elephant.
Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The zebra says,
Good morning, elephant.
Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The turtle says,
Good morning, elephant.
Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning." The monkey says,
Oh, oh, oh! Good morning, elephant!
Elmer smiles and says, "Good morning."
When Elmer joins the herd, all the elephants stand still and quiet. None of the elephants notice Elmer.
All the elephants are standing still, silent and serious. Elmer wants to laugh, So he lifts his trunk and shouts.
The elephants jump in surprise. They say, "Oh my gosh, and golly!" Then they see Elmer. Elmer is laughing. They say, "Elmer, it must be Elmer!" And all the elephants start laughing.
It starts to rain. The raindrops wash away the gray color. Elmer is back with all his colors. We must celebrate this special day every year. Today is Elmer's Day.
On Elmer's Day, all the elephants paint themselves. Elmer paints himself gray. He is the only gray elephant on this day.
The end.